Pick up loose items on the carpet before you start vacuuming. To vacuum, push the vacuum away from you and then pull it back slowly, overlapping rows. Move chairs and garbage cans and vacuum underneath them, and vacuum underneath tables as well. Once you're done, return the chairs and garbage cans and other items to their proper place. Always pull the cord out by the plug and never by pulling on the cord itself. Wrap the cord around the vacuum properly to keep it from tangling in the future.